Welcome to Digital Toolbox. In this video we're just going to go over the colors of these objects as an organizational tool and naming them if you want. So when I imported these, they all kind of came in as different colors, and I want them to be organized in kind of a more logical way. So I'm going to select a few of them, the two slabs, and I'll hold down Control to select multiple objects, and then while holding Control, select the roof too. So they're all selected, and then I'll go over to the Modify panel over here. The second one is Modify, and it'll say 3 objects selected. It'll say the object name if you just have one, but these 3 objects I want to change the color. So I will click on the red button over here and select a color. There's 2 palettes, a 3ds Max palette and AutoCAD palette. AutoCAD one just has a few more options. I'm just going to select this cyan color, and then you have a few other options. Assign random colors if you create new ones. Probably not. You can have that checked if you want, but I prefer not to. And then by object or by layer. Right now we don't have any layers set up, so I'm just going to say by object, but by layer is a good one to use too if you're using layers, which we'll get into later. So say OK, deselect, and you can see that they've changed colors. So when you hover over it, it'll say the object name as well, object 00014. Isn't a big deal, but if you like to be more organized about your model, you can name every object. So select it just so it's selected in white, and then go over to the Modify panel just where we were with the colors, and then I'll select the current title, OBJ 00014, and then I'll say slab 1. I'll just press enter. Okay, and then I can go back there, and then that's slab 1 forever. And then this one too, I can say slab 2, and then roof also. So this isn't a big deal for smaller models, but if you're doing large models or importing multiple objects to render, or just to move 3ds models into the same scene, if you just have object 0001 and then import another model, it will look to change the name, and it can be kind of annoying if they're all trying to overwrite as the same name. So that's coloring objects and naming them in 3ds Max.